Hi. So back with the video, but I decided that we'll do the practice Granny on the original one next time on another video. But this one we're doing Barbie Granny. Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm just turning that down. Okay. So we're gonna play Barbie Granny. And should we do Ghost? Oh my gosh, y'all. Should we do easy? Let's do easy first. Where so? No! There's Grandpa in this game! Why? Food? Classic food? Okay. Why not? Part 1. This is confusing, but like, first time playing. So, okay. Oh my god. This reminds me of a game that I played. No way. Barbie Granny's house is very awesome, I guess. But like, I don't know. Yeah, my mom and my siblings are talking. Oh my gosh, y'all. We're playing Granny. It's another version of Granny. I don't know. How do I tap on stuff? Oh! Okay. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I'm confused. We found a key. Oh my god, I'm a man. But that's okay, that's okay. Why my fingers look so deformed? Especially... This is my first time playing, and I'm kind of scared now.
What is it?
I'm recording a video, and I'm playing Barbie Granny. It's weird. It's like the last game I played. It's... Ooh, can I knock that down? No! Ooh, can I? Oh, hey! Oh my god, I'm hiding in here. Granny, please don't kill me, please. I can't hear nothing. Hold up. I have my volume, like, up. I want oh, dang. Okay. I guess I can, if you guys can hear me. Hold on. No! Granny, please! Okay. Stupid Granny just... Oh my god, I'm gonna hide again because that scared the crap out of me. Oh, look at that. It says Barbie. You know, the Barbie movie came out. And we already had like 3 options. But I'm not telling you though. All the options were to like go to the theater and watch the Barbie movie. But like... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. No, no, no! Okay. Oh. That's not me. Oh. Hold on. It's only like 3 minutes into this game now. Oh my god. What do I do? I can't find nothing. All I did was like find that key. Why is that so loud? That is like it's so dark. Go. Oh my gosh. I cannot escape from here. Like I can only go in like the bedroom area. Cause I'm so scared. Do I hear that working? Oh my gosh. Don't mind the background noises, I'm sorry, but like
We're doing it.
We're just making plans about next week. Oh no, Granny! No, please, gosh, oh no. Granny, please, anything. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, please, Granny, anything! No! Oh! Oh my gosh. Ah! No, Granny! What was that laugh? I hate this so much. I can't even go past. That's like my second death already, as you can see. Oh my god. This effing sucks. Oh, great. That's just great. It doesn't tell me which tool. Should I pick that up again? That sucks. Granny, please don't come after me. Oh. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. Why is that light turning off? Oh my god. Granny, why do you do this to me? What is wrong with this thing? You know, kind of like a hello, y'all, like that type of accent. Oh, well, I'm gonna die. Never mind this. Oh, I'm gonna die. I can't go out there. What if I did ghost mode? What would that? What would that? Her footsteps are getting louder and louder as they proceed towards me. No. No. Ew, why do you look so nasty, bro? Oh my god. Why she walk like that? I saw something over here, right? Close it. Oh my gosh. F it. We're gonna have to just F it. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. No! Granny, I hate you. It's another mod of Granny, but like, I just ran into her. I didn't know. She was. I can't get past this woman. Where do I go?
What are you gonna do in the island?
Oh my gosh.
Like what?
Oh my god. Go! Grenade! I cannot do this.
Why?
It's too much. But like.
Wasn't it obvious the first time I told you? So like, you can swing.
Granny sucks.
You can't.
Oh my god. I think I should run. I can't run.
Are you scared? If you're scared of heights,
I thought I saw a ladder.
I mean, this dude in Bentley that I kind of sort of friends with. I mean, he swung on a swing.
That didn't scare me that time. Okay, but like,
I can swing on a swing.
this Granny Barbie
so you
sucks.
can go real high on a swing, but not on a tiny ride.
Can y'all stop talking, bro? I'm trying to record.
I'm aware that the swing is down to the ground.
They're talking. I cannot with this Granny, I swear. Can I turn here? Oh, what great heavens. What is this?
You can't. Would you cry?
I'm hiding in another wardrobe.
Would you cry?
I found myself hiding
I
in
would
another
never
wardrobe.
not cry.
It's my 5th
I
death.
don't cry right. Wait.
Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna have to go somewhere else because like these people are just not.
Like yeah, I didn't cry. So like you're like.
We're gonna have to go somewhere else because apparently my other 2 siblings are just. That smells like tofu and it smells so good, but it also smells so strong. Is that a pumpkin? Can I click on it? Oh man, I guess I cannot. What's this wrench for? I had to go somewhere else, okay? But you know, I'll stop the video here. Wait a minute. Ew. Ew. What do I need this wrench for? I never got to go downstairs. Why does it make that sound? Granny! I hate this so much. Yeah, my footsteps will attract you. Hopefully. Are you stupid? Oh my god. Is that a dead end? Oh no, it's not. Granny has like such a big house. I cannot open this door. Why? Granny, heck you! I have an idea. We're gonna go. Oh crap, I can't even open that door. Why? Granny? Granny, no! No, no. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, please, no. No! What is wrong with you, lady? Actually, that sounds kind of satisfying. We're gonna go up here. That scared me, Granny. I can never run away from her. Like, I can't outrun her. But, you know, that satisfying is kind of satisfying. You know? Oh. I finally outran her. Never mind, I didn't. Granny, why do you do this to me? Oh my gosh, she's coming. Are those slippers? Go, 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 go. I didn't close the door! Ah, I don't know where to go! What? I'm recording.
Can you go on the 360 with me?
No.
Why?
Because I'm scared of going 360.
Why?
This grenade sucks. It's already my 7th death, and it's already been like 13 minutes in this. Alright.
What if I put you on the disco 360?
You're not? Fine. But I'm in
You can't even feel that you're upside down.